this video, we're going to make cinnamon coffee cake. It doesn't contain any coffee, but it just usually eaten while having a coffee break or tea time. Hello semua, sekali itu kita ada agak cinnamon coffee cake. Nama ya coffee cake, tapi yang ada bercampur engkau kopi. Kapan ya selalu jumpa time ngirup kopi, tak gamaya kita ngirup teh. First, we're going to beaten up our room temperature butter until it's soft. Okay, supaya kita mix kita empu butter sampai lembut. Okay. Next, we add in our sugar. Dan kita tambah ke gula. Lepasnya campur terus vanilla extract dan add in our vanilla extract dan mix again. Okay. After that, we add in our eggs one by one. Masuk ke telur sikit-sikit dulu. Dan campur semua. Mix again. Next, finish our eggs. Habis ke telur. Mix. The side of the bowl. Masukkan tepung bercampur dengan baking powder, baking soda, dengan garam. Mesti kira pakai bercampur mana rata. Then we going to add in half of our dry ingredients, which is flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and mix them well. Going to add in half first. Lepas tu kita masuk ke menambah ke kita empu bahan kering setengahnya dulu. Then mix well. Dan masukkan kita empu susu bercampur dengan lemon nanti ada buttermilk. Then we add in our milk mix with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice if you don't have buttermilk. Udah tuh kita nambah separuh hari kita empu susu dulu. Add in half of our milk mixture. Then mix. Tambah lagi mimit. Add in a little bit more. We're going to finish this with flour. Tambah kita empu milk, susu. Finish it. Finish the milk or buttermilk. Then mix. Then finish the flour. Habis ke tepung. masuk semua tepung. Well, until it's all combined. Transfer the cake to our baking pan. Dan kita transfer kita pu butter, cake batter agai kita pu baking pan. Grease dulu, oil kena minyak boleh nak butter, melted butter pun boleh. Dan boleh kena parchment paper. You can use parchment paper on top of the grease baking pan. Dalam proses tu kita cake batter kita angkat separuh dulu, dan tabur ke separuh hari cinnamon mixture. In this process we're going to add half of our butter, then we're going to sprinkle our brown sugar and cinnamon. I just eyeball it. You can wet it if you have the wet at home. Spread evenly with a spoon, or you have a spatula, you can use spatula. Spread ya, bakar rata. Kalau sudah ataupun masih boleh guna spatula nanti bisi. Then sprinkle the cinnamon mixture on top of it. Okay, and then we're going to finish the batter. Spread evenly again. Rata ke baru mengena sudu ataupun spatula. Then finish up our cinnamon mixture. Habis kita pu cinnamon mixture dengan brown sugar. Okay. Lastly, we can just bake it just like that, or we can swirl it. Okay, last ya, kita boleh bake tu ataupun bakar itu dalam oven, bakanya aja terus agak oven, dan ataupun boleh nama atau swirlkan bakar bisi lawa minit lah. Okay, oven kita udah preheated dengan 350 degree Fahrenheit ataupun 180 degree Celsius. Our oven must be preheated 350 degree Fahrenheit or to 180 degree Celsius. We bake it for about 50 to 55 minutes, or until when we inserted a toothpick, it will be come out clean. So meaning that our cake is ready. So kita akan bakar tu bake ya dalam oven selama 50 ataupun 55 minutes, ataupun nanti kita cucuk tu bakar tu penjukil gigi ke toothpick dalam batang tengah cake. Nanti pansut baganya ia bersih nada lekat, meaning maksud dia kita pun cake udah ready. So after 15 minutes my cake is ready. I inserted the toothpick. It's came out clean. So cake aku dah mansau selepas 50 minit dalam oven. Nanti nucuk pencuka gigi ataupun toothpick petengah-tengah ya berkata ya pangsut clean bersih nada cake berarti lekat pada so ya mansau. So let it cool down a bit for about 10 minutes like that before we can take it out from our baking pan. Dan lepas tu kita awakkan dulu. Nanti dalam 10 minit banyak sebelum kita masuk ke hari kita baking pan satu pun. So our cake is already cool. So we can transfer to our cooling rack or we can. Okay, kita cake sudah celap, boleh transfer bagai cooling rack begitu ataupun boleh terus dipotong ketika makan terus. Okay, with a sharp knife we can slice our cake. Okay, kita boleh melakit tempur cake. Okay, begini kamu ya.